All right, factoring trinomials example, here we go. We got this first one. I'm gonna do one easy example and medium example and hard example. So here we go. First things first here, I'm looking at what adds to get 8 and multiplies to get 7. If it doesn't pop into your head right away, I got 7 multiples or factors of 7. So 1 times 7 is the only one, and it works for 8 because 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 times 7 is 7, we're good. So I write my parentheses, boom, 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 got my B's, and then I got my 1 and my 7, or 7, 1, doesn't matter. You're now asking yourself what signs, what does the 1 and the 7 have to be to get a positive 8? So 1 plus 7 is 8, which works out to be both positive. 1 plus 7, 8. If either of these were negative, that wouldn't work out because it'd be a subtraction type thing and it would get 6 or something, and then this would be a negative, so that doesn't work out. So there's your answer, boom, done. Okay? Sloppy box. All right, next one is this one right here. I like this one. We got, again, for this one, I glance at this and I don't even know off the top of my head, so I'm going to go right into the box. 64, right? I got 1 times 64, not even close to 16. 2 times 32. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 doesn't work. 4, does 4 work? I think 4 might work. 4 times 10 is 40, and then 4 times 10, 24, 4, 8, oh my gosh, this is where I would do this in the calculator, ask you guys whenever you're in the classroom. 10, so that would be 24, 24 divided by 4 is 5, 6, so 16, and 4 does not get me a 16, so it doesn't work. 5 doesn't work, 6 doesn't work, 7, 8 times 8, there we go. Stay solid. Don't give up halfway through, right? The 3 didn't work out. 8 and 8 can get 16, so we're good. We got boom, 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 boom. I got a B and a B, all right? And then let me fix that B. And 8 and 8, I know that those are my numbers, and I need them both to be positive in this case again. The next example I do is not going to have both positive, promise. But 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 times 8 is 64. We're good. And if you want to go the bonus extra route right here, you can actually condense these down to be b plus 8 squared. And you should remember this from the last test we took because you write them out both next to each other. It's all coming back around. Okay, cool. The next one, I'm going to find one that has a minus sign. So we're going to do this one, okay? So there's a minus sign on this one, which is fine. It just means I'm going to have some opposites in here. So I got my parentheses and my ends, okay? Adds to get 1, multiplies to get 56. Again, I don't care about the signs right now. I just care about the numbers. So I got 56, 1 and 56, 2 and 25, 26, 28. 3's negative 3, 5, 11. No, 3 doesn't work. 4, 5 doesn't work. 6 doesn't work. 7 times 8 is 56. Oh, awesome. That's what works out to be 1, right? Saved it. So I got 7 and 8, 7 and 8. They add to get 1, really because they're 1 away from each other. So the little tip I showed you guys here is I need a negative n, or a negative 1. So I'm going to have the sign of the bigger of these two numbers be negative and the other one be opposite. That's my shortcut thought there. Because when I combine these, whichever number is bigger between these two opposites is going to be that sign, right? So negative 8 plus 7, there's more negatives than there are positives. That's going to be a negative 1 left over. But if I switch those and had a minus 7 and a plus 8, that means there'd be a positive left over. So anyway, and there's your answer. Last one is an important one because there's multiple things that can happen here. So I got my ends, and I'm going to have 6. So 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Here's the thing I want you to realize. A 1 and a 6 can get a negative 5. A 2 and a 3 can get a negative 5. Both of them can get a negative 5. Here's what I mean. If you use the 1 and the 6 right here, it is going to be negative 6 plus 1. See what I'm saying? That gets you a negative 5. See that? Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5, right? Or if I take this, for this one, that was that. If I take this 2 and 3 over here, negative 2 minus 3, that's also a negative 5. So which one is it? You see what I'm saying? Do we have the negative 2 and negative 3 because they're both negatives? They're minus 5 total, or is it this one? Well, it has to work for both, right? So it has to work for this guy and this guy. So if I tried this one, negative 6 plus 1, I would get that minus 5, but that would be a negative there because the negative times a positive, right? So that one does not work. It is this one, okay? So that means I have the 2 and the 3, and they were both negative, and that's my answer. So, boom. Good luck out there.